下午1點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：8號西北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，預料本港吹西北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺下午1點，超強颱風蘇拉集結喺香港嘅東南偏東約160公里，即係喺北緯21.9度、東經115.7度附近，預料向西北偏西移動，時速約10公里，移向珠江口一帶。雷達圖像顯示，蘇拉呈現雙眼壁結構，蘇拉繼續以超強颱風強度逼近本港，本港部分高地風力已達暴風程度。蘇拉嘅雨帶正影響本港，未來數小時天氣將會轉壞，有狂風大驟雨，風勢猛烈。8號烈風或暴風信號將會喺今日大部分時間維持。按照現時預測路徑，蘇拉會喺今晚至明早最接近本港，喺香港天文台以南約50公里內掠過。天文台會視乎本地風力變化，考慮喺下午6點至10點之間發出更高熱帶氣旋警告信號。受風暴潮影響，沿岸低洼地區嘅水位今晚將會急速上升，可能出現嚴重水浸，最高水位有機會與2018年山竹襲港時相若。晚上約9點開始，本港東部沿海地區水位會上升，當中吐露港嘅最高水位預計於午夜時分升至海圖基準面以上約5米或者更高，比正常潮位增加約3米或以上。威脅最大嘅地區包括城門河、大埔、沙頭角、西貢等。本港各沿岸地區嘅水位亦會於明天早上約6點開始顯著上升。維多利亞港嘅最高水位將會升至海圖基準面以上約3米多，沿岸低洼地區如鯉魚門比正常潮位增加約1.5米，而大澳嘅水位則會升至海圖基準面以上約3.5米，比正常潮位增加接近2米。海面有巨浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊，切勿進行水上活動。有關最新嘅天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分同埋踏正嘅風暴消息。
1 o'clock in the afternoon, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northwest, gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northwest quarter. At 1 p.m., Super Typhoon Shaola was centered about 160 kilometers east-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 21.9 degrees north, 115.7 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 10 kilometers per hour towards the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Radar imagery showed that Shaola has a double eye-walled structure. Shaola continues to edge closer to Hong Kong as a super typhoon. Winds over parts of high ground have reached storm force. The rain bands of Shaola are affecting Hong Kong. Weather will deteriorate in the next few hours, with heavy squally showers and violent winds. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force for most of today. According to the present forecast track, Shaola will be closest to Hong Kong tonight to tomorrow morning, skirting within about 50 kilometers south of the Hong Kong Observatory. Depending on the changes in local winds, the observatory will consider issuing higher tropical cyclone warning signals between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. tonight. Under the influence of storm surge, the water level in low-lying coastal areas will rise rapidly tonight. There may be serious flooding. The maximum sea level may be similar to that when Mangkhut hit Hong Kong in 2018. The water level in the eastern coastal waters of the territory will increase from around 9 p.m. tonight, among which the water level at Tolo Harbour will reach a high water level of 5 meters or higher above chart datum around midnight, which is about 3 meters or above higher than the normal tide level. The worst hit areas include Shingmun River, Taipo, Sha Tau Kok, Sai Kung, etc. The water levels over other coastal areas of Hong Kong will also start to rise significantly from around 6 a.m. tomorrow, 2 September. The maximum water level at Victoria Harbour will be some 3 meters above chart datum. The water level in low-lying coastal areas such as Lai Yu Mun will be around 1.5 meters higher than the normal tide level. The water level at Tai O will reach around 3.5 meters above chart datum, which is nearly 2 meters above the normal tide level. Seas will be high with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。